bad boy. Bow, 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 bow. All right, let's check this guy out. I'm gonna pull this disconnect real quick. I want to test the compressor amps before it turns on. It's like 2 years old, he said. Coil. Alright, I'm just checking the coil. See what the compressor wires are. Compressor wires is black, yellow, and red. Let's check those amps. I pulled the disconnect, so this black is coming from the bottom. So let's go ahead and check the amps on here. We're gonna hit max. Actually, let me test this capacitor real quick. While this is, while it's off, I'm gonna check the capacitor. Then we'll check amps. It's freaking spider webs, man. I hate when my drill gets stuck. Like my bit gets stuck with all these spider webs on it. It's annoying. Alright. Exactly what's happening. So this is a 70 plus 5 capacitor. So let's take this herm off. Let's test the MFD on it real quick while it's off. What reading are we getting? Yeah, we're only getting 22. Yeah, this capacitor is bad. 22 is way too low. Even, I know I'm gonna get some people in the comments saying, take off the prongs. So you know what, I'm gonna show you. Even on this comment side. It doesn't matter if the prongs are on here or not. I'll show you. So. Oh, if I get my fingers on it, there we go. 22.5, same little issue going on. So this capacitor is bad. I'm gonna get this capacitor changed out real quick, and then we'll take amps on the compressor. All right, so we're gonna be changing out this capacitor. Their current capacitors failed. We're gonna be adding a hard start kit as well, just to, you know, boost the unit, get the unit going for a long period of time. They live in a dirtier area, so it'll be good if they keep up the maintenance on cleaning the coil and change the filters. So let me go ahead, change this out. Go ahead and take this guy out. Alright, 70. Put it up there. This one's screwed in. This is common. Herm then we'll put fan on. Alright, now let's add this hard start kit. I need to get a screw. Where did my hard start go? Oh, right here. Probably just gonna clip it onto that bracket. Let's put one on her. Put this on her. Oh, there you go. So like, what the hell? Let's go Herm and Common. Then we could clip it. I think about clipping it. Let me see. If I can't clip it there, let's see if I can clip it right here. If the clip method doesn't work, I'll get a screw. But it's always good to try the clip. Take this out. Oh my goodness. It's these wires got in my way. Let me put this clip on here. There we go. Alright, clips in. Perfect. Alright, there we go. Clips in. Got the booster kit in. Capacitor, new capacitor. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's put this panel on. Actually, no. I'll leave the panel on. We'll go ahead and test out this compressor. Let's put this disconnect in. And let's go ahead and get this guy turned on. Test compressor amps. Make sure everything's working good. Alright, the unit is on. Let's test these compressor amps. Alright, so running amps right now we're getting about 16.2. And then on the manufacturer tag, it says the compressor, the top amperage during runtime is 25. So we're in a good range. That's good. I'm gonna test out the start amps. Once I test out everything else, I'll unplug the disconnect and we'll try to test it out. Let's also do the fan motor. That's the compressor. Fan motor's right here. Not touching that with my finger. Fan motor's reading about 1.09. Manufacturer tag for fan motor says 1.3 is the highest on the amp draw for running. So they're both still good. Let's check the refrigerant level. Need to make sure the correct voltage is that contactor. So we're getting 240 on contactor. line voltage, which is good. We're getting 240 across. We're getting 240 across. Our contact is still good. Let's check this refrigerant level. I get that cap off. I dropped the cap, damn it. Alright, so that's that. Check this. So the pressures are looking good. Yeah, pressures are looking good. Let's go get that in the house supply air temperature real quick, just to make sure this is cooling properly. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking good though. I'm gonna go get the supply air temp real quick, and let's see how that's looking.
Oh, big bad tank.
I had a Great Dane. So yeah, I'm not scared of dogs.
he doesn't even chomp at flies hardly when they're flying. He just wants to say hi. Yeah, hey. You better now?
He's like, yep, I got my sniff.
Yeah, now he's stoked. He's like, alright, I'm cool now. Yeah, he's a big weirdo. We got him when he was tiny, thought he did.
So we're getting about 51 degrees coming out of this register right here, but next to the door. But the one in the kitchen feels like 49, but this is really good. It's an 89 degree day. It is currently 75 in the house, so it's a good split. Let's go ahead and patch this guy back up. So we fixed the unit. Main issue, capacitor. Customer wanted a hard start kit on request, so we gave him a hard start kit. That should keep the capacitor good for years. Told customer about maintenance, about cleaning this coil and changing that filter. So this should be all set. It should be good. Let's go ahead, just patch this back up. Call it a day. What's up, YouTube? All right, you guys, so we went ahead and repaired that AC. The main issue, so the customer called me, they said they needed a hard start kit. So when I came out, I actually found that the capacitor was bad. And then I told the customer about it. He wanted to change the capacitor. We added the hard start kit. We tested all the amps. Amps are looking really good. Refrigerant levels looking really good. And the supply air is also looking really good. So the unit is back up and working. Notified the homeowner of, you know, just typical maintenance of changing the filters, also cleaning the coil on the outdoor unit. I don't know if you guys know, but if you live in a really dirty area, so like if you live in the dirt hills, like as you can see right here, just dirt, basically your AC unit is gonna be sucking in a lot more dirt, and that coil is going to be getting coated a lot more frequently than a residential home. So I would definitely recommend you wash that coil down frequently here and there with that water hose. That'll keep the compressor nice and cool rather than that coil getting coated with dirt and then you having issues. But that was the issue here, and we went ahead, got everything fixed. Appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, make sure you guys join the BHVAC